welcome back to another video, and this is another Boosted Mafia car meet video, and it's going to be kind of the same story as last week's. I know a lot of you guys have been disappointed, probably, with the lack of the truck's appearance, driving, hearing it, seeing it run, you know, all that bull crap, but it is still out of commission at the time I'm filming this, which is of course yesterday, if you guys are watching this. So, originally, I was going to have it finished today. I was going to be back on the road, but my dad ran into some issues. My brother broke his hand, so that kind of slowed down the process a little bit as my dad was having to take more time and taking him to the doctor, getting everything set up with that. You know, we had to go help out my mom with her job today because she had a pretty cool job this morning. So, here's kind of the current condition of the truck. You guys can't really see too well. The new thermostat housing's in, which is what apparently went wrong. The hose needs to be twisted around this. My dad's gonna disassemble everything, flip the hose clamp around so we can crank it back on and stuff. And then hopefully we can get that tensioner back on. I believe that's what my dad said this was. And get this thing put back together and she'll be back on the road. Now, a lot of people are realizing that these plastic thermostat housings are faulty. I've known that since I got the truck. The first time it blew out, which was earlier this year actually, so the second one I put in this year. Excuse me there. And I'm debating on eventually picking up a metal thermostat housing as a spare in case this one breaks, because it will. Plastic thermostat housings on these trucks are notorious for failing. So that's kind of the point with that, is I'm probably eventually gonna invest in a metal one just to be safe, and it's worth the money because it won't break. But anyway, I'm waiting on Michael to get here right now because, like I said, I don't have a ride because my vehicle is out of commission again, or it's still out of commission. So Michael may have a surprise in store today. I haven't been able to get a hold of him the last few hours, so I think he might be doing what I think he's doing. And I guess we'll just see in a few hours if that's the case. The meet starts about 3 hours. It's currently 5 o'clock. It's the latest I've ever started one of these videos, because usually I start them around 12 in the morning. So yeah, anyway, that's kind of an update on the truck for right now. MG Productions will be meeting us there tonight, later on during the meet. So that's kind of the story with that. But thank you guys, wow, I'm just trying to outro the video here. But anyway, guys, I'll catch up to you guys in a little while, and when everyone else gets here. All right, guys, so we're here at the meets. It's been a few hours. Oh, that's actually a really clean looking Eclipse. But if you can't already tell, I'm joined by Mr. Inbred Kidney Stone.
You could have asked for some light. You know, quality content.
Screw lights.
Quality content.
Anyway, we're here at the meets. We're just gonna walk around a little bit. Kason's gonna meet up with us in a little while, so we'll get to hear from him. And hopefully I'll film the burnouts this week, because there was quite a few last week. So, yeah.
Like it's fast food, the life of a rapper who in school. I don't want to hear all the people who been trying to give me advice. If you haven't done it before, then don't give your opinion about what you think I should go do with my life. Hey, I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around. Ayy, never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down. Ayy, I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy, I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy, never be turning around, never be turning around. Ayy, never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down. Ayy, I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy, I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy.
Back and forth, like, fuck up what you're asking for, but you're back and forth, like, but is your man still back or homie? Okay, I didn't ever text back. Alright, bro.
What is he doing? About to do a burnout.
Oh, a burnout.
Any little kids, please have their
Backtrack, talk on fact, you right, yeah. You right, you right, you right, you right, yeah. Bitch, you right, I bitch, I bitch, I be like bitch, you right, I bitch, I bitch, I be like bitch, you right, I bitch, I bitch, I be like bitch, you right.
Oh, but I think he's gonna do it.
Yeah, there's a tree there.
Alright guys, so you guys enjoyed the latest Boosted Mafia video. We also have in the house the outro with me, Kenny Stone once again, and Kaysen, who's trying out Forza for the first time. You know, got to customize the G35. If you watched that video, be sure to check it out. I'll leave a link at the end of this video, probably. I don't know which video will be recommended, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.
We don't want drama, we just want commas. My team tryna eat, I'm thinking Benihana. Love or hate me, all that shit just made me stronger. We the new school, it's the alma mater. We don't want drama, we don't want drama. We just want the commas, we just want the commas.